Welcome! If you want to change lock method in your Xiaomi Mi 10, for the first you have to enter settings. Right now we have to scroll down, and here is the password and the security, so let's enter this section. And as you can see on our screen lock, we set up the password, fingerprint, and the face unlock is not set up, so we can click on the password. Right now I will draw our pattern. We can turn it off, or we can change the screen lock, and we can set the pin on the password. Maybe we can go for the pin, and let's set 1, 2, 3 and 4. Tap on the continue, and you have to confirm with the same combination. Tap on the OK, and right now when we are going to lock our smartphone, we have to input our code. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs up, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.